Hello everyone, this is Yuki from Jiangmen Market from China. Jiangmen Market is a factory of making ice cream machine with 16 years experience. Today, let me introduce our hot-selling hot ice cream machine. Our products have two types, desktop and the vertical. First, you can see our machine has a 5-inch touch screen. This screen has 5 languages that you can choose. And then this machine has 10 programs that can make 10 different ice cream, such as gelato, sorbet, Italian ice, milkshake, frozen yogurt, sauce, and so on. If you want to make the gelato, you just click this screen and then waiting 15 minutes and the ice cream will be finished. It is very easy to use and it is very convenient. Second, our machine has a faucet. This is our faucet. It can wash this machine. It is very convenient. All our machine has a wash function. If you want to wash the machine, you can click this screen and the machine will clean automatically. Third, you can see our machine use the 3Z4 stainless steel, and our vertical machine has 4 wheels that is very durable and can move easily. And our door uses the transparent acrylic opening. You can open this very convenient and easily. And the transparent design can attract customers to watch it, and customer can know the machine making process. It is very beautiful. And then our machine has 14 liters capacity, and the machine production is 15.6 liters per hour. It is very high production. If you are interested in our machine, please contact me free anytime. Thank you.